8 amazing benefits of eating jaggery, how to eat it, and precautions. Introduction. Jaggery, a traditional sweetener used for centuries across various cultures, is often considered a healthier alternative to refined sugar. While both jaggery and sugar are derived from sugarcane or palm, jaggery undergoes a minimal processing process, retaining more of its natural nutrients. This nutrient-rich sweetener is widely appreciated not only for its ability to add depth and flavor to various dishes but also for its numerous health benefits. In this article, we'll explore 8 remarkable benefits of eating jaggery, how to incorporate it into your daily diet, and some precautions to keep in mind while consuming it. 1. Rich in nutrients. One of the most significant benefits of eating jaggery is its impressive nutritional profile. Unlike refined sugar, jaggery contains essential minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are vital for maintaining various bodily functions, such as promoting healthy bones, improving blood circulation, and supporting nerve function. Jaggery is also a good source of B vitamins, particularly B6, which is important for energy metabolism and maintaining healthy skin. By choosing jaggery over refined sugar, you can enhance your intake of these essential nutrients while satisfying your sweet cravings. 2. Boosts digestion. Jaggery is known for its digestive properties. It acts as a natural detoxifier and helps cleanse the digestive system. Consuming jaggery after meals helps in stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, improving digestion, and relieving constipation. It is particularly effective in aiding bowel movements and promoting a healthy gut. Additionally, jaggery contains soluble fibers that support the proper functioning of the intestines. This fiber helps regulate the digestive process, preventing issues like bloating, indigestion, and constipation. For individuals with sluggish digestion, a small piece of jaggery after meals can be an excellent remedy. 3. Improves blood circulation. One of the standout benefits of jaggery is its ability to improve blood circulation. The iron content in jaggery helps in the production of red blood cells, thus promoting better oxygen circulation throughout the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from anemia or those experiencing symptoms of low iron levels. Improved blood circulation means better overall health, increased energy, and enhanced skin health. Since jaggery is a natural source of iron, it can help in raising hemoglobin levels and improving overall vitality. It's an easy and tasty way to boost your iron intake. 4. Detoxifies the body. Jaggery acts as a natural detoxifying agent that helps cleanse the body from within. It assists in removing toxins from the liver and kidneys, promoting better organ function. This detoxification process supports overall health, ensuring the body stays free from harmful pollutants and toxins. Regular consumption of jaggery can also help in flushing out excess salts and fluids from the body, which reduces the risk of bloating and water retention. The antioxidants in jaggery work to combat oxidative stress and prevent cell damage, helping you maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. 5. Enhances immunity. A strong immune system is key to fighting off infections and staying healthy. Jaggery plays a vital role in boosting immunity due to its rich concentration of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It contains phenolic compounds, which have been shown to exhibit antioxidant properties that help combat free radicals in the body. Moreover, the presence of zinc and selenium in jaggery strengthens the immune system and reduces the risk of illnesses. Regular consumption of jaggery can improve the body's ability to fight infections, making it a great addition to your diet during flu season or times of stress. 6. Helps in weight management. While jaggery is sweet, it can still be a good choice for those who are conscious of their weight. Unlike refined sugar, which contributes to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, jaggery is absorbed more slowly, helping to prevent sudden sugar crashes. It has a relatively low glycemic index, making it a better alternative for people managing their weight or blood sugar levels. Jaggery can also help in regulating metabolism and enhancing fat burning. It provides a steady source of energy, preventing unnecessary cravings for sugary snacks. Including jaggery in your diet as part of a balanced meal can help in controlling hunger and supporting healthy weight management. 7. Improves skin health. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, jaggery is known to promote clear, healthy skin. The antioxidants help fight off oxidative stress and prevent premature aging, wrinkles, and other skin issues caused by free radicals. Additionally, the minerals like zinc and selenium in jaggery play a key role in healing skin problems, such as acne, blemishes, and pigmentation. Jaggery can also help with skin hydration due to its ability to promote better circulation, ensuring that your skin receives the nutrients it needs. Regular consumption of jaggery can lead to a natural, youthful glow and contribute to improved skin texture. 8. Promotes respiratory health. Jaggery is often used in Ayurvedic medicine as a remedy for respiratory issues. It is considered an excellent remedy for asthma, coughs, and colds. When consumed with warm water or herbal teas, jaggery can help clear mucus and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, leading to better breathing. It has been found to be effective in treating chronic cough and is often used in combination with ginger, turmeric, and black pepper to soothe the throat and relieve chest congestion. Jaggery also helps in relieving symptoms of bronchitis and can reduce the discomfort caused by a sore throat. How to eat jaggery? There are several ways to incorporate jaggery into your diet to reap its benefits. Raw jaggery. You can eat small pieces of raw jaggery after meals to improve digestion and boost energy. A teaspoon of jaggery can be consumed with a glass of water or milk for added benefits. In beverages, add jaggery to herbal teas or warm water with lemon to enjoy its digestive and detoxifying benefits. It can also be used to sweeten milk or coffee as a natural substitute for sugar. In desserts, jaggery can replace sugar in various desserts, such as cakes, cookies, halwa, and puddings. It imparts a unique flavor and adds a healthy twist to your favorite sweets. In savory dishes, jaggery can be added to chutneys, curries, and stews to enhance their flavor and provide a hint of sweetness. It pairs well with spices like cumin, ginger, and garlic. In smoothies, blend jaggery with fruits and milk to make healthy smoothies. It adds a natural sweetness without overwhelming the flavor of the fruit. Precautions. While jaggery offers many health benefits, it is essential to consume it in moderation. Here are a few precautions to keep in mind. High calorie content. Jaggery is calorie dense, and consuming it in excessive amounts can lead to weight gain. It's important to limit your intake, especially if you are trying to lose weight. Blood sugar levels. Although jaggery has a lower glycemic index than refined sugar, it still affects blood sugar levels. People with diabetes should consume jaggery cautiously and consult with a healthcare provider for appropriate guidance. Overconsumption. Eating too much jaggery can lead to digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas. It's best to limit consumption to 1 or 2 small servings a day. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to jaggery, experiencing symptoms like itching, swelling, or digestive disturbances. If you notice any allergic reactions after consuming jaggery, it's best to discontinue use and consult a doctor. Dental health. Jaggery is sticky and may contribute to dental cavities if not properly cleaned from the teeth after consumption. It's important to maintain good oral hygiene to avoid dental issues. Conclusion. Jaggery is more than just a natural sweetener. With its rich nutritional profile, it provides numerous health benefits, from improving digestion to boosting immunity and enhancing skin health. By replacing refined sugar with jaggery in your daily diet, you can enjoy a healthier, more flavorful lifestyle. However, like any food, moderation is key. Overconsumption can lead to unwanted side effects, so it's important to keep an eye on your portion sizes. If used appropriately, jaggery can be a valuable addition to your diet, providing a delicious and healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth while supporting overall well-being.